Do you know where is this place? Believe it or not, it is right at downtown Toronto. Hello everyone, it's now the fall season. Let's go hiking, biking, and this time bird watching too. We are going to go to the Thompson Park, which is just next to Center Island, Toronto downtown. From uptown, it only takes 30 minutes without traffic. The park entrance is at the end of the Leslie Street. You can park along the Leslie Street or around the corner. Please note this conservation park is closed during the daytime of the weekdays. If you know how to bike, I would highly recommend you to rent a bike or bring your own bike. I'm going to take the multi-use main trail, which is around 5 kilometers from top to bottom, and is fully paved. You can walk, you can bike, you can scooter, and if you have small children, you can bring a stroller. It's very convenient. Unfortunately, you cannot bring your beloved dogs. Even the dogs are on leash, is not allowed in the park. Along the main trail, there are different side tracks. I would encourage you just to explore different side tracks. You'll be surprised. I took another left turn to another side track. There are different people doing fishing here. Continue back on the main trail, you will see this pedestrian bridge. Everyone is stopping at this spot because this is the place to take your perfect picture. We met Miss V02 and Mr. Y33 dating. of the trail is this lighthouse point. This is the end of the peninsula, which gives you a 270-degree view of Lake Ontario. Everyone just stop here and take a break, enjoy this scenery. This beautiful and easy trail is so close to the city. For a round trip of 10 kilometers, this time I bike, it took me around 1 hour in moving speed, and then if you spend time walking around, it's a couple hours, good time spent there. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time. Bye!